Nalor ka jing pau nam bat ka jing bananam ka thain sora hagi kam jongo kai perthei kabalong namar ka jing don jong gilum kiwa kibi tenat bat ki jaka kiba pengat ban penlong kum ki jaka syangkai pengat kabala kering ru ye kiba bon ki pai ba na keleng ka perthei ban poi se kane ka thain laju penlong ru ye kita masa ba pher ha kane ka thain ban nang kering shushu ye ki nong jongo kai perthei kabala kelalong ru ka kam ka jam ye ki pai ba ka thain ka kenhun ki samla kabla tip kum ka Shanghai online tracking adventure hapo ka jingalam jong presiden ka kenhun usamla pentengen lang khongsit kila penlong ya ka jingya kejan kabala sedang na ka shnong dingsong ter syawa sora nang ta shnong nong trau bat penkut pat ha sora rim ha kabalawan ru bani shimpenta daw MLA ka than uba Gavin Malim ngap nang ta uba AK khongsdam ubadeu video uba Alphonse Bert Carson Tiu ubadeu General Secretary ke HFU ki nong ilam shnong ka shnong wa sora shnong dingsong bat nong trau nang ta ha ka jingin don lang jong gi samla kenthei bat chenrang bat kiwe
They do say, yeah, they do say. So ready? Ready, Shan? So we are live.
Be participating in this event comprises not only from within our state, but I'm very happy to be informed that there'll be trekkers from outside the state too. So I, on behalf of the people of Sara constituency, and like what the chairperson of this event has said, we welcome all the trekkers to this event. And as we all know, trekking really helps in building our core, our endurance, and most importantly, it helps in improving our overall strength. While trekking, we all do notice that it's not like walking on the road, but we'll end up constantly navigating the terrain, making micro adjustments every second, every minute. And we'll also notice that during trekking, no two steps are the same. So therefore, I would not like to prolong my speech, since I could see that all the trekkers who want to participate in this event are eagerly waiting for the trekking to start. So I would like to wish you all the best, and I can assure you that you really enjoy the scenic beauty of this area and the cordial attitude of our people along the route that you'll pass through, I think so, to 4 villages along the trekking route. Tinagaliang jonga ngani kapor bomenta hoy nga shimene galat banai kublei kerpang ya baro kibane shimbenta hakani ka trekking event angets kem managaliang jongpi on a pia pendep ya ka trekking shibet pinda enjoy shisha ya ga jingya lenti ga jongpi pinya shem shisha ya ga memoriang ga jongi chagane ga thain kepada internet da ishongkun da shisha bargaju opor ka jinglong friendly lani ka jinglong yejan lani ka jinglong prolog jong kini ki brio na kini ki thain ki jongi
bat ka tim ga jongi ka de ka Shanghai o ngi kwa ngi ai kublei phi ba philawan ya simbanta lang ka ni ka por ni ai ka jing thumo ka jongi ka long bang idon ka wei ka online platform ha ka ba ni ko aban reach out segini potential remote areas ki bat don hakini ki thain ki jongi bat seki baro jong game galya haki bin ai training ki guide bangila ban promote iki tourist segini ki jaka like na ki wei ki main tourist te ka wei ka bang ni ko kalong bang hakini ko por kum bangila le ka de second round te hangni ngi sim ki guide hangni ya don hadu khat ar khat laingot ki guide ki bana kini ki ba ko ban lang ki guide teman ta ki handle ya fi kin yalam ya fi nang ni sethe bat kini ki guide kin lakum hands on training bani ko ki begini yo ya ka training ka ba first hand teng agar pat ifi ba hakono ba phisiam jing ya pila ban ya kendo iki guide ki jongi te ka tim ka jongi ka jingmut ka jongi ka long ba kadon kat online platform ha ka baki guide ki la ban register ki homestay tata ki tourist spot nang ta ki cap lani ki tourist cap ki bangi ngi kwa ban promote iki lokal te hakni ngidang don ha ka proses bang ila ban penyak sakmat iri kam bat kadang don ha proses
man lagi sungi long tray ngi abun kam ke jing tray bat kidan sibun ki stress ki tension bat kene ke dai sungi ka ba pin ino pin berat nai kita ban pengat jabing yelade hoi ki don let's say ba kwa ya ban one explore ya kene ke jaka ban yo i ya ke jaka jinglong ke jong ke jaka let's say dan kwa ban tes ya kamet ke jong pi kat no kadang biang dom biang ne dan ro na kamta jong ka ke health benefits na bata ka kwat ke khia bat kum ta ter la ke jong ke jing thmu ke jing angnot ke jong pi bat kermen ba leng ba jong ne program pin yo ya kita baro i hinmen jonga i basa asor i kli ya i taiwe hinmen jonga i basa hasinong nong kendong te i ong namar ba ilek check up hasilong te i kli i pidon sini ne te ngakan masa i kata tin ke jubab ba hinmen jonga i ong hoj hinden ngalatit arkilo bat kadon haying bat kata kadai ka village version mo baki nong kendong ki ai ke jubab kim jutip ya kata ke sini namar ba kas app jom ki ke jaw man kas ngi baki trai ki kita akilat kiwan bat ki lai sisiana sibon ki jengpang ki jing sitam bat bakane ka jinglait ke jong piru pin jaw kas app bat kan yarap ban ai pi ke jing ko jing khia kan pen klain je ki tor ke jong pi kolong snam jong pi bat pin yo ya ke jing ko jing khia lan ba jong kene ka ke trekking te tang kawai ke banga dan ya ke ban kerpat ya pi namar ba pi wan ha ke sin ke ban kong shen ke jaka te pi yo i ya ke jaka shakiwai ke jaka ke long kum do bat hang ne ka long kum do te kawai ke bangi kerpat na pi ka long ba pin i ya kita ke feedback ke jong pi kum no bangila ya ke ban improve kumno ngila ya kaban kentiu kene ke jaka khnang bagan ke jaka kan long ka kowei na kita ke jaka ka baki nong jong okai pathai kinwan baki terkas kinwan